This integrated washing machine from Beko is ideal if you're looking for an energy-efficient model with excellent performance. It has a 1600 RPM spin speed, an A++ energy rating, and a medium-sized 7-kilogram drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. Beko's Fast Plus function allows you to cut down on wash time without compromising on quality. Once you have chosen a wash program, simply select the Fast Plus button. The machine then uses clever sensors to detect the type of fabric and load size and adjust the cycle accordingly. This reduces the wash time by up to 50%. So, when you're in a hurry, your favorite clothes will be clean when you need them. The sports program is perfect for taking care of tough stains. With the twist of a dial, your laundry will be washed at 40 degrees to protect delicate fabrics, while extra rinses thoroughly remove stubborn stains such as grass and mud. Meaning, no matter what you love to do in the great outdoors, your sports clothes will always be fresh and ready when you need them. If you're looking for an energy-efficient washing machine with excellent performance, this integrated model from Beko is an excellent choice.